Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about if the SIM is not working, how you can fix it in your device Vivo T1 Pro. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the SIM, like your SIM is not working or the contacts are not showing or any other SIM related problem, you can solve it by the method that I will show you. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the complete video and you will fix the SIM problem in your device.